So this will be a video about how to do synthetic substitution. So for example, if I have the number or function, okay. If I have the function 3x to the fourth power 6x squared minus 30, and then the c is 2, so this means x minus 2. So the c would be like x minus c. So when you do this, well, okay, that's obviously fx. So when you do synthetic substitution, we want to first put the number as like in the synthetic form, I guess you can say that. So fourth power, we don't have a third power here. We don't have a third power here, so that's a 0. And then second power, and then we don't have a first power, 1 power, well, just normal x, so that's also a 0. And then a negative 30. And then you put 2 here. That comes down, 3, then multiply by 2, and then you add it, so it's 6, 12, 6, 12, 12, 24, and that's minus negative 6. So, and this negative 6 is actually, or it should be same as f of 2. So if we put the number there, so 3 times 2 to the fourth power, 4 times 4 is 16, and then minus 6 times 4, minus 30. So that's 48 minus 24 minus 30, and that's 18 minus 24. I did 30 and then 48 minus 30 first, so that's 18 minus 24, and that would be minus 6, negative 6. So that's the same. So this is just an easier way to do it when your numbers are big, so you won't have to mind the powers there. So f of 2, if we use synthetic substitution, it would be way easier. So f of 2 would be negative 6. Another example. Actually, I don't know how to add the pages. Okay. So the next example, let's say f of x is negative x to the fourth power. Actually, I don't want to really say this. Just that, and then let's say c is negative 1. So this time, in the same way, negative 1, fourth power has negative 1. That's negative x is negative 1x. And then third power has 2. Second power has negative 1. And then first power has 7. And then the normal, or the number itself is 5. And then we have c equals negative 1. So we put negative 1 here. This comes down, negative 1, multiplied by negative 1. So it's 1, add it, 3. Same way. And then negative 4 plus 4, 7 plus 4, 11. Then minus 11, that's negative 6. So just to check, we can do that. I usually don't write like this because it's really a waste of time, but okay. So that will give me negative 1 minus 2, because that's an odd number. then that's an even number, so that's plus 1, and then there's a minus in front, so minus 1, minus 7 plus 5, so that's minus 3, minus 4, minus 11, plus 5, minus 6. So this minus 6 equals minus 6 here, and yeah, for somehow I got the same answer from the last question. So f of -1 would be -6. And then for number 10, for number 10, we can, okay, let's say f of x equals x to the 5th power plus 6 x to the 3rd power, or x cubed, 6x cubed plus 9x minus 3, and c equals 4. So x to the 5th power 1, and then no 4th power, so that's 0. 3rd power, 2nd power, no 2nd power, 1st power, and just the number -3. So we put 4 here, that comes down 1, and then multiply it by 4, that's 4. Oh shit. And then we add that together, so that's 4, and then we multiply it again, 16. Oh shit. Add that, 88. Oh wait, really? What's 88 times 4? 32. 352, is it? $352. Okay, I think I did something wrong, probably, but I'll just want to finish it. So times 4, that's 144. Okay, 1444. So that's 1441. And I'm pretty sure that's not the answer, but it might be. So let's delete that, erase it, and then let's try again with just directly putting in the number. So 4 to the 5th power should be what is it? 4 is 1024 plus 4 to the 3rd power times 64 plus 9 times 4 equals 36 minus 3. So that's I don't know. 6 times 64 is 384, and then we add 33 again. So if we add them up, we get 1441. So I guess that really is the answer. So f of 4 would be 1441. Thank you for watching, and yeah, I just wanted to practice